I'm Khandi and I'm part of both the Cynnon and Taff East Forum. I've always liked working, supporting young people is what I want to do as a career in the future.
So later down the line then you became one of our MYPs representing RCT in the UK Youth Parliament, so tell us about that.
Well, I kind of forgot I had done it by the time I heard back, so I was shocked, but then I went around telling everyone about it because, yeah.
Sounds like you're excited. So how has being an MYP helped you grow personally or professionally?
Well, I'm now able to say that, on CVs and stuff, that I have been part of a big thing to help other people, and I'm able to talk more with people compared to how I used to be before.
So have you gained any new skills being an MYP?
Well, obviously the communication, because I used to have really bad anxiety. I wouldn't even leave my house, so that's opened a new door for me. Teamwork, I'm much more capable of working with other people as well.
What has been your proudest moment as an MYP?
It's gotta be standing up in the House of Commons. That was, I can't even describe it. It was terrifying, but it was also amazing. When we get together, last year we worked on our debate skills. We talked about the different topics going forward in the House of Commons and stuff like that.